Hey everyone, it's that time of year again. So today we'll be painting a penguin. This can go on the cheek or the arm. I'm Lily. Let's get started. So here I've got a beautiful fun stroke from the Color Punch palette from Fusion Global. So here I'm taking my, I believe it's a 5/8 angled protege brush. Now I've got my little Cornell round number 3. I'm going to create sort of the front of this penguin. If you're familiar with him, his name is Gunter, and he's actually on a kiddo TV show, cartoon. So here I'm using a snowflake. You're welcome to use any one you have available. Face Paint Forum Shop also has snowflake stencils. Different brands as well, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'm using a sponge dauber and just making sure that it's not too wet so it doesn't bleed through. There we go. I decided I'm going to add a smaller one as well. Here is the Rainbow Cake Dreamsicle. You can find it at facepaintforumshop.com. And I'm taking my brush. I really love this shade of orange. It's so bright and beautiful. So I'm going to use it for his beak. And there you have it. So I've got my little Cornell. I loaded DFX Black here. And we're going to go around. We're going to paint in his little backside and then just outline the whole thing. We're going to give him an arm as well. And the other arm, I decided to point it up as if he's saying hello. But he doesn't really say hello, he just says wink. Alright, so we also need his eyes, and they're going to be 2 big bold circles. I sort of stamp my brush in the eye, that way I don't pick up the background color too much. And we'll gently outline his beak. Alright, now I've got my little Cornell round number 3 loaded with DFX White. I'm going to create some wintry festive swirls and teardrops. We'll add dots as well around the design to give it embellishment. And we'll need to stamp Gunter's eyes. So here we go, we give him a big shine on his eyes, as well as his beak. Alright, Gunter's all set to go and enjoy the winter wonderland. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Visit facepaintforumshop.com for more.